Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica and welcome. So today I'm giving you a smidge of Thanksgiving slay. You know, we gotta be cute while we go fix our plate, okay? We're gonna be passing a lot of folks while we go get this plate, girl. So we need to make sure we are slaying grandma's life right now. So I'm just doing like I don't know, I wouldn't say neutral, but like a soft glam look in a way for Thanksgiving. So I am using the Jacquemus palette in my Morphe. I can't remember, but everything will be in the description box. So basically, I'm starting out with like a orange brown shade. I'm putting that above my crease, and then I took the cool tone brown shade and I put that right underneath that, and then I'm taking like a rust brick shade and I'm putting that in between. You can barely see it here, but in my next clip I will be more close up. I don't know, I was playing with my lighting and trying to figure it out, and I realized after I did this I don't like my lighting right here, so I'm definitely gonna make changes, but I was just testing it out. So we're gonna just pretty much prep the crease for the cut crease. I'm doing I guess a half cut crease in a way. I don't know, looks like it to me. So yeah, I'm close up now. I'm just blending everything out. I hate that I mess with my lighting in the first place because you really can't see my colors, for one, and for two, the concealer that I use as my base was not light enough. And I have a lot of concealer. I don't know why I didn't use it, you know. We do crazy things, so forgive me. But yeah, I'm just creating my cut crease, and the method I like to use is adding a little bit of concealer on my lid, and then I just look up and it'll start to create the cut crease for me. Like it'll create that line, that guideline I can go by. If you are very new to cut crease or don't know how to do it, I say try this method because it really helps me a lot. Like, I'm not the bomb at this, but it still turned out really nice. So I'm just taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm just patting that concealer down in, just trying to take away a lot of that wetness. You can set it with a powder if you like, but I think it takes away from your actual color, so I don't do it. I just take a brush and take away that wetness. So I'm back in the Jacquemus palette, and I'm using, I think it's Soleil. I don't know, girl. Everything will be down below. Make sure y'all look down in the description box for everything. But I'm putting that pretty shimmery color, y'all. I am like in love with this color. I use this as a highlight for my nose and a highlight for my inner corner, like every day for work. It looks so good. It just wakes my face up. Like, it's so pigmented, girl. It looks good. Like, look at this. So I'm taking that brown shade, that rust shade, and that chocolate, like cool tone brown, and I'm just going to be applying that to the outer corners of my eye, kind of blend it towards that shimmery shade to create like this ombre blend effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but it looks really nice. If y'all can hear anything I'm hearing right now, I apologize. It's so hard trying to do a freaking voiceover when you live with humans, but it is what it is. So we're gonna blend all that together. And I just like to take a really skinny brush and add that shimmery color, whatever I put on my lid, and make sure my cut crease is like really precise and clean. I try my best. So now I took my Anastasia Beverly Heels. Did I say? Oh my god, y'all, I sound crazy right now. My nose, I feel congested. Anyways, I took my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, and I'm just using that on my lids. I was gonna do black, but I didn't want it to be like super dark. I don't know, I didn't want to ruin the effects of using brown tone colors, so I just used that since it was like a dark chocolate brown. And I'm putting that, and I'm going to be setting that with eyeshadow on my Morphe palette as well. I just wanted to stay true to the soft glam look. So, what am I doing next? Oh, okay. Next, we're down to the face. So I'm taking my Maybelline primer base in, what is it called? the blur one. Okay, I'm just having a hard time remembering things right now. But I took that and put it all over my face, and then I'm taking my black Radiance setting powder, and I'm gonna just be setting everything I prime. I like this step because I do have pores in my cheek area, and this pretty much fills in the pore area. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, but it fills in my pore area, and when I apply my foundation, it's like a smoother canvas, and it makes my foundation look flawless, girl. Like, I look like $1,000,000. And I am using Maybelline's Fit Me. I'm using the, what is it, the normal to oily, y'all, please. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. The normal to oily, and I'm using the normal to dry. And both of them are 360, but they are slightly different in color. I just like to mix them because they look so good together. Like, y'all about to see, like, girl, face been snatched. I'm gonna snatch some faces at this dinner table. Like, girl, oops, excuse me, I need to get to this dressing. Can you move? So next, I'm taking my LA Pro concealer. I'm not sure what the name of this shade is, but I like to use this shade a little bit closer to my skin tone, but slightly lighter, to just conceal and allow my base to be even more flawless. Like, I want a flawless canvas, okay? It is the holidays. We're trying to slay. We're trying to snatch wigs, edges, and lashes, okay? We want this base to be unclockable, okay? So I like to do that step. You don't have to do that step, but I personally think it makes the look 10 times better. And then I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro and Toffee sooner or later. And I'm just going to be highlighting my nose area, my forehead area, under my eyes, Lord, what is it called? My mustache area, and on my chin. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite part of doing my makeup is blending out my concealer. I don't know what it is, but like blending out the concealer And it's all flawless and just melts into the skin, girl. It just does something to me. Here we go with this blending. Like, yo, this looks so good. Okay, it looks so good. I usually let my concealer sit for a couple minutes as well, kind of dry down. So once we do that, I'm going to be taking the Black Radiance setting powder. Once again, y'all, I absolutely love this powder. Like, I had the Beauty Bakery powder and that thing was amazing, but I haven't had a chance to purchase that again. So I was like, let me try this Black Radiance powder, see how this do. Because y'all know I'm bougie on the butch. Girl, get the powder. The powder is everything. And I had it for a couple months now. You get so much product for your money. So much product for your money. Get that product, okay? It just soak all that in. Like, it just, oh my God. It's not too light where it will leave a white cast. I absolutely love that. Like, it looks so good. I'm just taking the Black Radiance face powder that I have, and I'm just going in and, I wouldn't say contouring my nose. I just like to bring my nose back. Like, it went away with all the foundation and stuff. So I like to bring structure back into my face. So I'm using that powder for that. And then I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance contour palette. And we're going to be going around the perimeters of my face. Like, again, I just like to bring structure back. Bring some color back. Because foundation tends to wash you out, and we don't want to look washed out. Like, I sound so congested. I don't even understand. So next, I'm going to be doing blush. This is a BH Cosmetic blush and neutrals palette, and I'm taking that one. I think it was the 4th color, and we're applying these to these chunky cheeks. Girl, look at these cheeks though. For days. So once I do that, I think I'm highlighting, but I'm not even sure. Let's see. Oh no, I like to go back in and blend with my eyeshadow. I like to diffuse it, if that makes sense, because once I put on concealer and all that, it kind of cuts off where I applied that eyeshadow on the out of corners. So I go back in after all my foundation and all that good stuff, and I like to blow that out, and I like to go underneath my eyes to complete the look so it won't look so top heavy. And I'm just taking the same shades I used, that chocolate brown, that rustic orange color, hopefully I'll be highlighting soon. Just bringing my brows back. Like, I gotta get me another brow pencil because I'm not feeling my pomade like I used to. Like, my eyebrows usually be slayed and snatched, but lately they just been okay, and I'm not feeling it. So I'm going in with, oh man, I cannot remember the name of that shade. I'll put it down. It's the really, really iridescent shade in the Jacquemus palette. But I decided to go in my inner corners with that shade, and I decided to highlight my nose area with that. And then I'm just taking this blush. It doesn't look like a blush on me. It looks more like a highlight. But it's a blush, but I use it for a highlight, and I'm putting it on my face. I don't know, lately I haven't been wanting a in-your-face highlight. Okay, lashes are on, girl. These are the double ups. Ardell. Get you a pair. They're my favorite. And next, we're going to be lining our lips with a dark brown pencil. And then I'm going to be applying this like this new gloss, but it looks more like icy in a way. And then I like to apply a clear gloss on top. So we're just gonna apply that. And I'm gonna get this hair together and I'm gonna come back and girl, watch this. We're gonna be slay. Watch. Just watch. What? I told you. Look at her. Bruh. 26 looks so freaking bomb on me. Like, girl, get you some. Get you some.